My mom worked late and my dad
Yeah.
did too.
Yeah.
And so I would literally watch Emeril Lagasse. I would watch all the chefs that came on the Food Network. And I started small, just like, grilled cheese, spaghetti, tacos, pancakes. And then I just elevated. Once I learned how to fry chicken, it was over. Once I learned how to do meats, it was over. By the time I was 14, I was like cooking family meals. Like my mom was like, make a grocery list. I would literally write out what were, the menu for the month, for the week. And I would cook it like at home. Foods be ready. Even to this day, I'm the family chef.